My name is Glenn Blancourt. I'm a partner at Robert Lackey Architect. We designed the building. We are constructing the building to the contract or construction administration process. My role in that is to head up the team that does the construction administration. The mixed use is probably the biggest challenge. All of those uses have their own specific kind of design elements. I'm really happy with how the commercial tenants actually develop their sites. We will be working on another project next to this one, and I'm aware of another project across the street from it. So it's kind of become a catalyst for the area.